What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at another 2025 Matchbox 5-pack. This is the Matchbox Rescue 5 set. It's another 5-pack that I got for a very good price, €5. That is a pretty good deal because these 5-packs can cost up to 12 to 13 euros these days in some shops. So yeah, very good deal. Now, seems like these are some pretty old castings and I don't have any other versions of these to show, so this will be a pretty quick walkthrough. Let's take a quick look at the packaging first. As you can see, we have 4 generic models from Matchbox and 1 licensed model. And yeah, as I take this out of the packaging, we will see that one model isn't even a car. It's the Matchbox Rescue helicopter. To be honest, I'm not too much into these, so let's take a quick look at the base. So this is, yeah, from 2001 and seems to be retooled in 2014. Yeah, it's a helicopter. I think there's not much more to say, saying RSQ, rescue here on the back part. Yeah, we have some blue tinted windows and it seems like this thing doesn't have an interior. So this is pretty weird in my opinion. If you can look through the windows, but it doesn't have an interior. So yeah, let's put this helicopter in the parking lot and let's go on with this guy here. I think this is definitely the best one of this set. It's the 1978 Dodge Monaco Police in yeah, pretty nice blue and very crisp details here on the side. Now we've got the focus. Sheriff of Matchbox County. Yeah, very nice. We get a chrome base and yeah, it looks a little bit like it's real metal, but of course it's not, it's plastic. But a chrome base is always good, so we get the chrome bumper, or it's a whole chrome backside, including the taillights and the chrome front. So definitely looks better than pure plastic. There we go. Of course, we have the light bar on top. The rims are a good choice for this thing. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So into the parking lot it goes. Now let's take a quick look at our fire truck. It's called the Flame Tamer. Let's take a look at the Dodge Monaco base. This one seems to be from 2008, if I'm correctly, and our Flame Tamer is from, let's turn this thing around, seems to be from 2005 and retooled in 2013. So yeah, a fire truck with Matchbox Fire Department deco on the side. Like unit number 6 comes with a trailer hitch and yeah, a movable part. We can move the ladder, but you can't turn it, so it just goes up and down. But hey, it's a moving part and that is nice. So yeah, a fire truck. Into the parking lot it goes. Now we take a look at our 4th model, which is the Matchbox Urban Tow Truck. This one's from 2011 and retooled in 2013. Yeah, this thing seems pretty interesting assembled. So we have a black plastic base, we have this metal body, and yeah, then we have the window piece, which you can also see here on top, and then we have the yeah, toe part, so to say. So we got the 4 different parts, and you can see it's the same part as the interior. So we got like red seats. It's pretty interesting. Yeah, and of course you can tow things. So focusing. And yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, of course, this is way out of scale because this tow truck must be much larger, but of course, then it wouldn't fit into the packaging. Now, our last one is this guy here. It's called Matchbox Ambulance. And we take a look at the base. This one's from 2006 and retooled in 2017. Yeah, this one's not really that great. It's only the front part, the cab, that is metal. It's got a plastic base, and the whole back part with the ambulance deco it's all plastic, and we got a gray plastic front and gray bumper. We have a little trailer hitch, but yeah, this is it's got some old school rims, I think. So yeah, that's it for this video. As always, I'm picking a favorite, and in this video, of course, it's the Dodge Monaco. This one's pretty nice, I have to say. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.